This one furniture mistake is making your home feel 50% smaller than it actually is. But here's what nobody tells you about beautiful home design: you don't need a designer's budget or a renovation permit. In the next 5 minutes, I'm revealing 7 design ideas worth copying that'll transform any space from drab to magazine worthy. And design idea number 6? It works even if you're renting. Stay until the end because I am sharing the exact formula top designers use to make budget furniture look custom. Idea number 1, the floor visibility trick. Let us start with the easiest way to make any room feel instantly bigger, and it has nothing to do with paint color. It's called the floor visibility trick, and here's how it works. The more floor you can see, the larger your space feels. Heavy, chunky furniture that sits flat on the ground? It's suffocating your room. Instead, choose pieces with exposed leg sofas, beds, cabinets, even your knit stand. When light flows underneath furniture, your eye perceives more square footage. One designer transformed a cramped 600 square foot apartment just by swapping bulky pieces for furniture with slim legs. Same layout, same room, but suddenly it felt 30% more spacious. Pro tip: aim for at least 6 inches of clearance under furniture for maximum impact. Idea number 2, the 3 texture rule. Here's why some rooms feel expensive, while others feel flat texture layering. Professional designers follow what I call the 3 texture rule for every vignette in your home design. A vignette is simply a small styled area, like your coffee table, console, or knit stand. Combine at least 3 different materials, maybe leather, wood, and ceramic, or linen, metal, and glass. This works especially well in neutral spaces where you're not using bold color. Think about it: a cream sofa looks basic, but add a chunky knit throw, a smooth leather pillow, and a woven basket. Now you've got depth and visual interest. Natural materials like wood, stone, and linen automatically bring texture. Plus, they develop that beautiful patina over time that makes spaces feel collected, not decorated. Idea number 3, color repetition strategy. Want to know the secret to making your home feel cohesive instead of chaotic? It's the color repetition strategy, and it's criminally underused. Pick one accent color and repeat it throughout your space: in your rug, cushions, artwork, even small decor items. Your eye will naturally flow from room to room without that jarring stop-start feeling most homes have. One designer used burgundy accents across an entire apartment. In the kitchen marble, throw pillows, books on the shelf. The result? Instant visual harmony. But here's the crucial part most people miss: stick to either warm or cool tones, not both. You can't mix muddy, muted colors with bright, clear ones in equal amounts and expect it to work. Choose your temperature, then commit to it. This simple interior design tip creates that expensive, professionally designed look without spending a dime. Quick question before we continue: which of these design ideas are you most excited to try? Drop texture, color, or lighting in the comments right now, and I'll reply with a bonus tip just for you. Now, let's talk about the lighting mistake that's keeping your home in the dark ages. Idea number 4, the lighting layer method. If your room only has one overhead light, we need to fix that immediately. The lighting layer method is the fastest way to transform any space from dingy to dynamic, and it's perfect for budget home makeovers. Here's the formula: combine light sources at different heights throughout the room. Floor lamps, table lamps, wall sconces, pendant lights, even candles. Each layer serves a purpose: ambient lighting for overall brightness, task lighting for specific activities, and accent lighting for mood. One renter completely transformed a dark apartment without touching a single wire. She added lamps on shelves, new floor lamps in corners, and even string lights behind furniture. The space went from depressing to inviting overnight. The best part? Every piece was under $50. This is hands down the highest impact, lowest cost change you can make to improve your home design. Idea number 5. Black. Accent formula. Here's a powerful interior design trick that works in literally every room: strategic black accents. Black creates visual weight and sophistication, but here's the secret: restraint is everything. Follow the one meaningful black item per room rule. Maybe it's a mirror frame, a side table, a picture frame, or even hardware on your cabinets. That single black element creates a moment of high contrast that makes everything around it pop. But, and this is important, too many black accents start to feel dated and heavy. One designer used black sparingly throughout a neutral apartment. Black frames here, black lamp there, black cabinet hardware in the kitchen. It added just enough punch without overwhelming the space. Think of black as punctuation in your design sentence, not the entire paragraph. Idea number 6, character without renovation. Now this one's a game changer, especially if you're renting and can't knock down walls or gut your bathroom. You can add serious character without touching the structure. Try these high-impact, reversible upgrades, picture molding that adheres without nails, peel and stick wainscoting, upgraded cabinet hardware, new light switch plates, even hanging textiles as wall art. One renter hung an alpaca blanket behind her bed with a coat hook instant texture and personality. Another updated a basic cabinet with fresh paneling and new handles, making it look completely custom. These are exactly the kind of DIY home improvement projects that give you the biggest visual impact for the smallest investment. Paint is your best friend here too, just keep the original paint for when you move out. The key is thinking like a designer. Focus on details that catch the eye without requiring a contractor. Idea number 7, function over form design. Final design idea, and this one might change how you think about every room in your house. Design for how you actually live, not what Instagram says your home should look like. If you need a home office but don't have a spare room, get creative. One designer turned a dark entryway into a fully functional workspace by adding a glass partition wall to borrow light from the adjacent room. Another content creator skipped the traditional desk entirely and created a lounge-style office with a settee and accent chairs because that's how she actually works. Your dining room never gets used? Turn it into a library or craft space? The guest bedroom sitting empty? Make it a walk-in closet and reading nook. This lifestyle-first approach is the ultimate interior decorating secret. Stop following floor plan rules that don't serve your life. The best home design isn't the one that looks perfect in photos. It's the one that makes your daily life easier and more enjoyable. And there you have it, 7 design ideas worth copying that'll transform your space without a massive budget or major renovation. Remember, beautiful home design isn't about perfection or expensive furniture. It's about thoughtful choices, layering texture, playing with light, and designing for your actual lifestyle. The best part? You can start implementing these affordable home decor ideas today, right now, with what you already have. If you found this helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more home design tips and budget-friendly transformations. Drop a comment telling me which room you're tackling first. And I'll see you in the next video where we're diving deep into the biggest interior decorating mistakes that are costing you thousands. Don't miss it.